Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Liz and today we are doing another video that's included in my throwback series. So if you are new to this channel, then you won't know that I am doing a kind of throwback Tuesdays where I recreate one of my older looks, and you'll see this look in a second. And yeah, I just want to do this series to see if I have improved at all or if I need to improve more. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, that would help me out a lot. And make sure to go head over to my Instagram as well for behind the scenes sort of things and photos of my makeup looks. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So we are doing this soft glam sparkly look. It's kind of similar to the one we did last week, but obviously slightly different shades. And yeah, and just an FYI, I am absolutely loving the soap brow sort of thing. Love it. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base as usual, but I'm actually going to go in with 03, which I've never used before on myself. But I wanted something that's going to match my skin, which again, FYI, I'm going to be matching my neck, not my face, because I don't tan my face. And we are going to carve the brows out today. So I'm going to take my brush and carve. I've been going onto the face with my base lately because I do under my eyes before my makeup, base makeup. I just find it's a lot easier doing it like that. I don't know why I haven't done that before, and it gets the eyes out of the way. And I've really been liking the more natural looks, not natural looks, but like neutral looks rather than colour lately. I don't know why. I think because I've been doing a lot of colour, I'm liking the change, I think. But don't worry, for all the people who love my colourful looks or love colourful looks in general, I will be going back soon, no doubt. The palette that I'm going to go into today is the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't used this in so long, but as you can see, it is beaten. I absolutely loved this palette at one point, and I was literally non-stop using it for nights out. But I'm going to take the shade Burnt Orange to begin with, and I'm just going to pop this in the crease. Not being too careful with this, just placing it in that crease and blending. So I'm taking this shade quite high up and smoke it out. We are going to be doing the high shimmer like I've done on this eye. I don't know, I've just really been liking that lately. I forgot how much I love this burnt orange shade. Now we're going to go into Raw Sienna, and this is the darkest shade we're going to go into because I don't want it to be a really dark look. I just want it to be a soft, quick glam. And I'm just placing that in the outer portion of my eye and then bringing it into the crease. You just build this shade up to how pigmented you want it. I just layered it twice, so dipped in twice, just because, like I said, I don't want it to be too dark. But do how you will, you know. And now I'm going to take the whatever I've got left on the back of my hand, the base, and I'm going to pat that in the inner portion just to brighten it up a little bit, like I always do. And then for a base shade, I'm going to take the shade Primavera, and I'm just going to place that all over the lid. I'm even going to take it quite far over onto the darker shade we put, and then of course bringing it quite far up. Okay, so now I'm going in with the shimmer shades. So I'm going to take, of course, the Peaches and Cream pigments in Nude, which is a nice like coppery nude. And then I'm going to take Hollywood, I believe. Yep, Hollywood, which is like a clear glitter, clear pigment with like specks of kind of like yellowy gold. But first I'm going to put some NYX glitter glue, pop that on all over where we put that shimmer shade. And now with my brush, I'm going to take Nude first. That eyeshadow from the palette is really pigmented and it's beautiful on its own, but this just adds another level of brightness. Absolutely love it. And then I'm going to take Hollywood. This isn't going to make a massive difference, but it's just going to add that speck of highlight to it. Now that glitter is everywhere, just going to brush that off my lashes. So I'm just going to take a makeup wipe just to wipe off the excess that we've got here. Now what I'm going to do is take the base underneath my eyes. Take a little bit more. My eyes are so sore. I've been doing a makeup look like every day apart from weekends and my eyes are so sore. I've been having like the odd day off, pretty much doing a look every single day because I love it. I'm really enjoying it. So I'm going to take Burnt Orange to begin with and just place that underneath. I'm just going to take a slight bit of raw sienna just to blend those shades. So that is all we're going to do for the eyes at the moment. I am going to fill my eyebrows in, even though I have done the soap in the brows. I'm going to put the, because I do need to dye my eyebrows, so yeah. NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Brunette. I have ordered the Espresso shade, which hopefully is going to be darker and suit my hair a little bit more, because this shade is quite warm and I don't like my eyebrows being warm. Now on to the face. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So for the face, I have been taking quite the similar products, to be honest, that I have in other videos, just because I found a few products that I'm loving and I just don't want to change, you know. So to start off with, I'm going to take a illuminating primer. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Illuminating Primer. Now it is quite pink. I am looking to get the original Strobe Cream by MAC. I have got the gold light version of Strobe Cream, but I just want to get the original because I know that one's quite a normal glow sort of thing. I am trying out the IGTV as well. Let me know if you like IGTVs on Instagram because I have been loving it. Kind of like, it's like a short video of this video on YouTube. It gives you an idea of this video on Instagram and then you can come and see the whole video on here if you want to. So next is foundation. Now I've been loving my base lately, using this one foundation and then adding the other one for extra coverage. So I've been using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC20. This gives full coverage, but I know a lot of people say that it's quite cakey on their skin. Try an illuminating base underneath, especially if you've got dry or dry combination skin like me. And then I've been loving the Revolution Seal and Hydrate foundation in F10. I've been loving this on its own and I love the finish. I love it. So I'm going to mix these two together today. So I'm just going to blend this out with a sponge. I've just been loving a sponge lately. I'm not sure why, just do. So how is everyone doing? Are you holding up or are you going insane? I'm a mixture of both at the moment, I think. I'm missing friends, I'm missing work, believe it or not. I actually can't wait to go back to work. And that's saying something. But I do love my job anyway, so. Are you enjoying lockdown? Are you enjoying the peace and quiet of not seeing people, or are you getting fed up? Again, I'm a mix of both. I love socialising, like going out with friends or like family meals and stuff, but having the peace and quiet is nice, and I'm lucky enough to have Connor here because we technically live together. I have someone here to look after me. I look after him. But he is still in work, so yeah, that's a bit shit. But it gives me time to film when he's in work. Oh my god, I am in love with this combination. I'm just loving the glowy look at the moment, like the glowy full coverage look. I absolutely love it. And this is beautiful. I think I'm going to have to buy some more of the MAC Studio Fix because I have had that one for quite a while. Yeah. So next I'm going to go in with the concealer. So this is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 10. I'm not sure whether they've changed the shades of these like ages ago, so just bear that in mind. This does oxidize, so hopefully it will go a little bit darker, because if you've watched my other videos, I am loving a darker eye at the moment, not so like brightening. So just watch my under eyes, see if they go a little bit darker. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a cream contour. Again, I'm still looking for my perfect cream contour, but this will do for now. This is the Revolution Matte Base Concealer in the shade C12.5. So this is quite a warm tone shade, which I quite like when I'm tanned. What I've been loving is putting it on the sponge first. This will get you a nice subtle colour instead of drawing on the face like I've been doing. It won't be so harsh. Let me know if you want a dedicated cream contour video. That would be cool. Maybe I'll start a how-to series. Some noises going on outside. Okay, so then next I'm going to take some powder. The Revolution loose setting powder in medium yellow. Hate the packaging of this, not gonna lie. It's like the RCMA one, like unnecessary. So I'm just going to take that on sponge. Next I'm going to apply bronzer. So this is the Morphe Bronzer. So it's a bronzer and contour in one. And it's in the shade Celebutin. And I'm going to take this on a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M527 brush. I'm just going to mix them both together. This is really going to help set that bronzer in place as well, because obviously I didn't set the whole of my face. So then blush, I'm going to take the Milani Luminoso blush, which is one of the baked blushes, like this. I really wanted to use this blush because it's such a glowy, luminous blush. I think it matches with the eye look really nicely. Just applying that everywhere. So then I'm going to take the Doll Beauty highlight in Shine Bright. I did find out that the shade is called Shine Bright. If you didn't watch my last video in this series, then you won't know that I got a little bit confused with the shades. But I'm going to take the darker one, which is called Shine Bright. I hope that's right now. I really do. Shine bright like a diamond. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, do my eyelashes, and I will be back to show you the lips. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lips. So I applied the Tatty Lashes in TL9 because they are dramatic but not too much, if you get what I mean. Hopefully they stay on. They are really nice lashes. Really do like them a lot. For lips, I'm going to take the Peaches and Cream lip pencil in Fraulein, and the Peaches and Cream lip gloss in Cherub, again, don't know, but hopefully this is a new combination which I've seen on their Instagram story, which I'm going to try. Hopefully it looks nice on me. I haven't actually used the shade Fraulein yet. Okay, so really like this lip look. Lip look? Is that a thing? This lip combination. It is slightly on the more pink side, but I'm actually liking it. So maybe test it out in a few other videos as well. So this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you think of this look. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would help me out a lot. So make sure you do that. And yeah, other than that, stay tuned for next week's video. You'll see what it is next week. And I hope you're staying safe, guys, and stay inside. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.